I am excited to introduce you to the S Pro Training Center, one of the top providers of engineering courses in Revit, BIM, CSI ETABS, Autodesk Robot Structural Analysis, and many other engineering softwares. Our team of experienced instructors and industry experts are dedicated to providing the highest quality education and training to our students. We understand the importance of staying up to date with the latest software and technologies in the engineering field, and that's why we constantly update our course offering to ensure that our students have the necessary skills to excel in their careers. Our courses are designed to provide hands-on experience and real-world application, allowing our students to apply their knowledge immediately in the workplace. In addition to our in-person and online classes, we also offer advanced courses on our YouTube channel, which are available for free to our subscribers. These courses cover a wide range of topics and are designed to take your skills to the next level. We invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to take advantage of these free advanced courses and continue your journey of learning and development. We are confident that our training center can provide you with the knowledge and the skills you need to excel in the engineering field. Thank you for considering the S Pro Training Center for your education and training needs. We look forward to helping you reach your full potential.